Hey, welcome back, guys. Welcome to Planter Garden TV. Wow, wow, wow. This is Eddoe right here, guys. We have a few dashing in between, and we also have a few Tanya in between. But the most of them is Eddoe. My goodness, look at this plant right here. This thing is naturally taller than me, man. Look at the root down here, guys. Have a massive root down here, guys. Welcome back, guys. Welcome to Planter Garden TV. So this is a Eddoe crop with lots of different Tanya and Dasheen in the midst of it. So my goodness, look at this plant here. So everything is doing so well. Oh man, one of the things we want to make sure that all the roots is covered. We want to make sure that all the roots is covered with soil. This is very important. Some of these leaf right here, guys, like of the old leaf, we can just cut them and allow the plants to focus on the root itself. All right, because the more it focus on producing leaf, is the less focus it give on the root of the plant. And we want the roots them to be nice, big. All right, so that look like a dasheen right there. But most of them is eddoes. And so far, this thing is growing really, really well. This is another patch of eddoes growing right here. Garden very bushy, guys, but guess what? It's producing, it's doing well. So this is a really, oh man, look at it go over there, guys. Nice crop of eddoes. And we have eddoes down there as well. I start out growing these eddoes from 3 pieces of eddoes, guys. 3 pieces of eddoes. And now, if you notice, we have hundreds of eddoe roots right now. So these are crop I love to grow because the reason I can eat from their leaf, their young leaf, and also their root. Look at this one here. Let me see if I can give you a picture with this one. Can I turn it around? No, I don't think I can turn it around. But look at this one here. Look at it. My goodness. I got to take a picture with that for my thumbnail. Yes, guys. So let's go down to the bottom, guys. So this is a crop of eddoes down there. We have eddoes all over there as well. And we have eddoes growing all over the garden. This is ginger. Let's go down to the bottom down here for these eddoes. Man, nice big roots of eddoes, guys. Watch here. Even over here, we have eddoes growing over here. We have crop of eddoes running through even over there, guys. And they're doing well, guys. So this is the update on growing eddoes. The key to growing eddoes successfully, guys, the soil must be soft and the root must be covered. This is another crop of eddoes, guys. As you can see, how well you know these eddoes getting ready to harvest. What you're gonna start seeing, you're gonna start seeing these leaves start turning yellowish, like what you see in there. Start turning yellowish, and then you're gonna start to see these bough start coming down. You see? You're gonna see them start coming down. So they're not ready. They still have like 3 more months to harvest. Right now, when we harvest them, what we do, guys, we replant the top of the eddoe plant and put it back in the ground. So when we harvest, we plant them back and everything just come right back up in the spring. All right? So this is our eddoe crop, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And guys, always remember, try to grow as natural as you can. All right? Peace and love.